Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn how to know Wi-Fi password on your phone. So without wasting time, let's start. So first of all, scroll down your tool shutter. After that, long press on Wi-Fi button and tap on Wi-Fi settings. After that, you will see your Wi-Fi connections. Here, you have to tap on I button present here. After tapping on I button, you will see all the setting of your Wi-Fi on which you are connected. So now question is that how to know Wi-Fi password. So tap on password, then it will scan your face ID, and after that you will be able to see your password, and now you can also copy it. So that's how you know your Wi-Fi password on your phone. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for further cool tutorials. So bye bye.